Today we talk about the very important topic of the environmental studies, and this is given in the unit 4 of the syllabus: population growth and the variation among nations. What is the population growth of the world? In which area population is growing too much? In which area population is remain stable? What are the causes of the population growth? What are the parameters of the population growth? What are the effects of the population growth? These all we study in this study, which will be very fruitful to the students who are preparing their university examination. And at first, we define the human population and the environment. What is the human population? The definition is given here. Introduction to the human population. Population is defined as a group of individuals belonging to the species which live in a given area at a given time. In a given area, such in a Bihar, such in a Rajasthan, such in a Madhya Pradesh, such in a India, such in a United Kingdom, in a given area for a particular time, living of the individuals are known as the human population. The definition of the population density is given here. It is expressed as the number of individuals of the populations per unit area. In an area, particular area, such as Bihar, such as Madhya Pradesh, such as Rajasthan, such as India, such as United Kingdom, such as Japan, number of the individuals are remaining. And this population density varies in response to the changes in the environment and the introduction with the other living organisms. This population density is changing throughout the world. In the developed country, population density is less. In the developing country, population density is more. And for to become a developed nation, population is to be controlled. This is a major problem of the a developing country like India, developing state like Bihar. It is a major problem. Population. What are the parameters affecting the population size? There are the 4 main parameters have been given here. Birth rate or natality, death rate or mortality, immigration and immigration. These are the 4 parameters in the population size. Birth rate, it is the number of the live births per 1,000 people in a population in a given year. Death rate, it is the number of deaths per 1,000 people in a population in a given year. It is clearly defined. What is the birth rate? What is the death rate? And what is the immigration? It denotes the arrival of individual from the neighboring population. Arrival from the individuals from the neighboring population means the peoples from Bihar come to Delhi. The peoples from Uttar Pradesh comes to Delhi. The peoples from Haryana come to Delhi. From the neighboring population, they are residing here. Then it is known as the immigration. And immigration, it denotes the dispersal of individual from the original population to the new area. In the new area, if the population is shifting from the one area to the another area, this is known as the immigration. The population growth, the rapid growth of the global population for the past 100 years result from the difference between the rate of the birth and the death. For the past 100 years, the difference between the rate of the birth and the death, the general trend in the population growth is explained graphically here in the following graph. What is the population growth is there? Here it is shown here. For Germany, Italy, UK, France, Vietnam, and Philippines, these all countries have a population of the 18%. Where China alone has a 28%, largest in the world, China. Then India, 15%. Then USSR, 6%, and USA, 5%, and the other Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Mexico, 28%. Then what is the major observation is here? That in the developed country, the population is less. Hence, the requirement for the resources is less in the developed country. In UK, Italy, Germany, France, they are the developed country. Hence, the population is less there. In the developing country, the population is more. Hence, we have to be checked that the developing nation has to be control the population. That has to be control the population. In 1800, global population was about 1 billion people. It took about the 130 years in 1930 to reach the 2 billion. But the population reached to the 4 billion within the 45 years. Now we have already crossed 6 billion and may have to reach about the 10 billion by the 2050 as per the World Bank calculation. Hence, this is the population growth. The causes for the rapid population growth is shown here. The rapid population growth is due to the decrease in the death rate. The death rate of the world is decreased due to the increase in the medical facility. An increase in the birth rate is there. Birth rate is increased. The availability of the antibiotics, immunization, increased food production, clean water, and air decreases the famine-related deaths and infant mortality. In agriculture-based countries, children are required to help the parents in the field. That is why the population increases in the developing country. In the developing country like South Africa, Indonesia, Kenya, India, in the Bihar, population is increasing too much. These are the causes of the rapid population growth in the developing country. What are the characteristics of the population growth? Exponential growth is there. World's population growth is exponential. That is the 10, 10 square, 10 cube, 10 4, etc. Which shows the dramatic increase in the global population in the past 160 years. This is to be stopped. This is the characteristics of the population growth. Then the doubling time, it is the time required for a population to double its size at a constant annual rate. It is calculated at following. Doubling time is the 70 by R. R is the annual growth rate. If a nation has the 2% annual growth, its population will double in the next 35 years. These are the characteristics of the population growth. Infant mortality rate. It is the percentage of infants died out of those born in the 1 year. Even though this rate has decreased in the last 50 years, the pattern differ widely in the developing and the developed country. Total fertility rate. It is the average number of children delivered by women in her lifetime. The total fertility rate varies from 2 in the developed country to the 4.75 in the developing country. Total fertility rate is changing. In developing country, it is 5. In the developed country, it is 2. In the developing country, it is to be stopped. In developing state, poor state like Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, UP, population is to be stopped. Total fertility rate to be the stopped and follow to the developed country. Replacement table. 2 parents bearing 2 children will be replaced by their offspring. Due to infant mortality, this replacement level is generally high in the developing country. Male-female ratio. The ratio of girls and boys should be fairly balanced for a society to be flourished. But the ratio has been upset in the many countries, including China and India. In China, the ratio of girls and boys is 100 to 140. This is to be maintained. Male-female ratio study is to be taken place in the each area of the state and the country, and this is to be maintained. Demographic transition. Population growth is generally related to the economic development. The death rate and birth rate fall due to the improved living condition. This results in the low population growth. This phenomena referred to as the demographic transition. Demographic transition is there, and generally related to the economic development. This results in the low population growth. Demographic transition is there. What are the problems of the population growth? In increasing demands for the food. If the population will increase, then the demand for food will be get increased. This is a major problem. The developing country has to see these problems, and developing states have to see this problem. Demand for the natural resources will be get increased. Inadequate housing facility will be there. Housing facility will be inadequate, and the health services will be inadequate. If the population get increased, health services will be reduced, and to provide the better health services, population is to be controlled, proper housing is to be given there, and the loss of the agriculture lands are there. Unemployment is there. Major problem of the population growth is the unemployment. And the socio-political unrest will be there if the problem of the population growth will be there. And the environmental pollution. These are the problems of the population growth. Hence, the population has to be controlled in the every area. Population is the major factor for the development. This is the. Now we study about the population variation among nations. Different regions of the world find themselves at the different stages of the demographic transition from the high to low mortality and fertility. Their growth path also differs considerably, resulting in the significant shifts in the geographical distribution of the world population. At present, the world's population has crossed 6 billion. The existing population is also not only evenly distributed. Less developed country have 80% population. Less developed country has 80% population, while the developed country has only 20% population. This shows the population variation among the nation. Less developed country like Africa, Asia, and South Africa have the 80% of the total population and occupy less than 20% of the total land area. See here, what are the data is saying? In the most developed country like USA, Canada, Australia, the population increases at the rate of the less than 1% per year. But in the less developed country like South America, Africa, and Asia, the population increases at the rate greater than 1% per year. In the world the population is increasing, the variation have been shown here. In the developed country, population growth is the rate low, or in the developing country, population growth is the more. Kenya is the fastest population growing country in the world. Kenya, where the 20 million people are residing. If the current rate of the population increases continue, the population will double by the 2005. China and India's population was above 1,000 million in 2000 year. Its share is about 1/3 of the world population. Europe and North America accounts for 14% of the world population. China's India's population is increasing. China and India. Kenya is the fastest population growing country in the world, where the 20 million people are residing. Variation of population based on the age structure. Age structure can be classified into the three types: pre-productive population 0 to 14 years, reproductive population 15 to 14 years, post-reproductive population above 45 years. Variation among the different countries have been shown here. Pyramid-shaped variation of the population increase in the developing country. India, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Nigeria. Pyramid shape is there. The pre-productive age group population is more indicated at the base of the pyramid, and post-productive age population is less indicated at the top of the pyramid. A large number of the people will enter into the reproductive age group soon, which increases the population growth, but less number of the old people indicate loss of population due to the death. Pyramid-shaped variation of the population is there in this country. Population is increasing too much. Or in the developed country, bell-shaped variations are there. France, USA, UK, Canada, the pre-productive age population and the reproductive are more or less equal. So the people entering into the reproductive age will not change the population, and thus the population growth is stable in this country. In the France, in USA, in UK, in the Canada, the population growth is stable. It is a bell-shaped population is there. A stable population is there. This is the advantage to the developed country. Urn-shaped variation of the population is there in Germany, Italy, Sweden, and the Japan. The pre-productive age group population is smaller than the reproductive age group population. In the next 10 years, the number of people in the reproductive age group is less than the before, resulting in decrease in the population growth. Urn-shaped variation of the population is there in this country, Germany, Italy, Sweden, and Japan. They have controlled their population. They have control. They have the people of there is understanding, and the population is there is control. the government has controlled the population in this country. Why the population is increasing? The enormous increase in the population due to the low death rate and high birth rate is termed population explosion. The population explosion are there in the developing country. Population explosion is there. The human population is not increasing at a uniform rate in all parts of the world. Doubling time. Population explosion can be better understood by considering the doubling time as the number of the years needed for the population to the double in size. The table shows double time of the population growth. Doubling time is there. You see here, for the each country doubling time have been shown. How in the world the population is changing. In India, doubling time in the 28 years. In Turkey, 28 years. In Nigeria, 27 years. In Saudi Arabia, 25 years. In Pakistan, 21 years. In the United States, 87 years. In the UK, 231 years. See, the population is stable in the UK. In Italy, 99 years. In the France, 117 years. In the Japan, 58 years. So you can see how the population in the world is varying. India has to control the population. This is the major problem of there. UK have already controlled the population. This is the developed country. France has controlled the population. This is the developed country. The human population is not increasing at the uniform rate in all parts of the world. In many non-industrial, poor developed, called less developed country like Asia, Africa, South America shows the higher growth rate. In contrast, the population of the industrialized developed country like USA, France, Italy, growth rate is low. You say the variation among the population in the different countries of the world. Causes of the population explosion are there. These are the causes of the population expansion. Invention of the modern medical facility reduces the death rate and increase in the birth rate, and which leads to the population explosion. Increase of the life expectancy is another important for the population explosion. In 1950, the average life of expectancy of human being was the 40 years, but now it is 61 years. Literacy is one of the reasons for the population explosion. These are the causes of the population explosion. Every government, every people have to learn about that. What are the causes of the population explosion is there? Now we see the effect of the population explosion. If the population explosion will be remain, then the poverty will be remain there. In fact, mortality is the most tragic indicators of the poverty. There are still 30 developing countries. There are more than 1 in 10 children die before he reaches at the age of the 5. In the developing country, few mothers opt for the small family in the face of the high infant mortality rate. Efforts to keep children alive and the healthy are one of the keys to reduce the population growth. Population explosion leads to the environmental degradation. Environmental degradations are there due to the population explosion. Poverty is there. Population explosion causes over the overexploitation of the natural resources. Therefore, there will be the shortage of resources for the future generation. Many of the renewable resources like forest, grassland are also under threat. The increase in the population will increase in disease economic inequality and the communal wars. Remedy, we should immediately reduce the fertility rate to birth control program. In the developing country, the fertility rate is to be reduced, as we have already explained and said earlier, that the fertility rate of the developing country is more in comparison to the developed country. And fertility rate is to be reduced. Family welfare and planning program. Family welfare program. Family welfare program introduced by the government of India as a voluntary program. It is an integral part of overall national policy of the growth covering the human health, maternity, family welfare, child care, and the woman right. Objectives of the family welfare programs are given here. Slowing down the population explosion by the reducing the fertility. By reducing the fertility rate is to be reduced in the developing country. It is essential. Pressure on the environment due to the exploitation of the natural resources is reduced. Population stabilization is there. The ratio is derived by the dividing crude birth rate by the crude death rate. Developed country, the stabilization ratio of the developed country is one which is more or less stabilized, indicating zero population growth. In the developed country, zero population growth is there. In the developed country, hence all the developing country like India has to follow the developed countries ratio. In the developing country, the stabilization ratio of developing country is 3. This is expected to lower down by the 2025. The stabilization in developed country is possible only through the various family welfare program. Developing country, the stabilization ratio is to be reduced. This is expected to lower down the stabilization ratio. Family planning program. Family planning program provides educational and clinical services that help couples to choose how many children to have and when to have them. Such programs vary from culture to culture, but provide information on the birth spacing, birth control of the pregnant woman and infant. It is also has reduced the number of the legal and the illegal abortion per year and decreased the risk of the death from the pregnancy. These are the family planning program. Objectives of the family planning program: reduce infant mortality rate to below the 30 per 1,000 infant, achieve 100% registration of the birth and death, marriage and the pregnancy, encourage late marriage, encouraging of the late marriage there, and later child bearings are there, encouraging the breastfeeding, enable to improve the women's health, education, employment, making planning available to all women who wanted to choose the number of children and spacing of the births. These are the objective of the family planning program. Constrain the spread of the AIDS, HIV, prevention and control of the common clinical disease. Promote vigorously the small family norms, making school education up to age of the 14 free and compulsory. What are the fertility control method? Traditional method is there. It includes some tradition like taboos and the folk medicine. Modern method, it includes some important birth control technique like the mechanical barrier, surgical method, chemical belt, and physical barrier to the implantation. More than 100 contraceptive methods are on trial. Family planning program in India. In 1952, India started the family planning program. In 1970, India government forced the family planning campaign all over the country. In 1978, the government legally raised the minimum age of marriage for men from 18 to 20 years and women from 15 to 18 years. In 1981, Century report showed that there were no drop in the population. Since then, funding for family planning program is increased in the future. And thanks for watching the important lecture video of the environmental study. We are taken the many of the very important topic of the video of the population growth and variation among nations. We have seen the world's population as how much varying, in which country the population is varying. We have seen where it is to be controlled and how it is to be controlled. In developing country, the population is to be get controlled. Developed country has controlled the population. The major reason of the any of the problem is the population.